Oh, can't open the door. Boop. Hey Lauren, how's it hanging? How's it going? He's like, I've had enough. This is enough for this year. You gonna go out again? Whoa, Jesus. Lauren! Lauren! Are you just gonna sit in the snow? How's it? You like the snow? Oh, you're stepping on your leash. Had enough? Yeah. Yeah. This is actually the first year he's playing in the snow like this. Usually it's just a little bit and then he comes inside, but he actually seems to be enjoying it finally. Pow! Pa-pow! Sorry, excuse me. Take your leash. Finished? No, not yet. Are you pooping? What's going on? And that concludes this year's snow adventure. So this year, he actually kept going back and forth, and that's crazy! Isn't that right? It's so crazy. You're so crazy. I love you. So disgusted. But maybe when the snow stops, we can go back again. But if not, until next year. Right? Isn't that right? Stop. I love you. Stop hating me. See you later. I'm gonna bring him back upstairs into his cage in my room where it's nice and warm. Stop looking so disgusted. So yeah.